We are from ADD Laundry Concepts. It's a Mumbai-based company. We are the authorized representatives for a Spanish company called Girbau, which is a 60-year-old company, and we focus on providing laundry solutions. Also, we are very careful about the environment in terms of saving water, saving energy, and we have more than 1,000 machines across India, and we are doing services for about 700 equipments across India. Today we are at Hyderabad, a beautiful city here in India, and we are exhibiting our entire product range, which starts from 8 kg of washer extractors to tunnel washers, which is the continuous batch washing system, and the efficiency is really high in terms of the conventional laundries. So yeah, that's about it. See, laundry industry is still picking up in India. I would say 90%, not even 90, 95% of the laundry industry in India is still unorganized, and people are still they do not have the right knowledge, they do not have the right infrastructure, but there is a lot of potential, and we are looking to be part of the Clean India initiative as well. Yeah, it's a beautiful exhibition. There are a lot of companies over here from different countries, and it's a good exhibition.